I'm really thankful to Canara HSBC Life Insurance to conduct this kind of a program for kids of 15 to 17 years of age. This is a time when you need to learn about what are different kind of risks that exist in the market and how insurance programs can help you manage those risks in a better way. And my son participated in this program. I have seen a tremendous change him after this program, and he has learned a lot about what insurance is all about, why do we need to take insurance, and what kind of risks that exist, and how programs through this insurance help us in terms of managing those risks, or at least minimize the losses that you can expect from those risks.
I think this Canara HSBC life insurance program has been very helpful and fruitful for him, as we've seen a lot of drastic change in him. He's come back and discussed a lot of about finance and what all insurances we have and how do we plan our finance. So the inquisitive thing and change in him, I think, is very good. And at this age, starting with finance planning and everything would definitely take them far off.
This is a massive change which the Canara HSBC team is bringing in to our society, where it is an early stage. You are making them learn a solid platform for the children to learn about financial discipline and financial literacy, which is really essential. And we definitely recommend more and more students to participate here and learn about this.
I would definitely recommend it to other parents around, because these kids, although have short attention span, but when given the right content, they are very smart to be able to comprehend. I was surprised that one of the youngest kids in the class was able to talk about products which even I do not understand. So I really appreciate the effort put by Canara HSBC and would encourage all parents to take such opportunities to make sure your child is financially literate from a very young age.
Canara HSBC Life Insurance. Promises का पार्टनर।